Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Gupta. Our today's topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with triangles, particularly right angle triangles. The word trigonometry is made from three Greek words, tri, which means three, gono, which means angle, metry, which means measurement. Therefore, we can say that trigonometry is a study of triangles. Our first topic in trigonometry is trigonometric ratios. Now let us consider a right angle triangle with sides A, B, C. Now let's see the possible ratios there can be in this triangle. We can take A by C, we can take B by C, we can also take A by B. And the reciprocal of these ratios will be C by A, C by B and B by A. So we have covered all the possibilities. So total there are 6 combination possibles, right? Now let us consider another triangle with reference angle theta. The opposite side of this angle theta is called opposite side. As we all know, in a right angle triangle, the longest side is called hypotenuse and the adjacent side to this angle theta is called adjacent side. As we have seen, there are 6 possible ratios. The first ratio, opposite upon hypotenuse, a shorter name is given to this ratio, which is sin theta. So we can say that opposite upon hypotenuse is equal to sin theta. And the second ratio, adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is called as cos theta, and opposite upon adjacent, which is called as tan theta. The fourth ratio, hypotenuse upon opposite, is equal to cosec theta, and hypotenuse upon adjacent is equal to sec theta. And the last one, adjacent upon opposite, is equal to cot theta. If we divide first ratio and the second ratio, the hypotenuse will get cancelled out and we will get opposite upon adjacent, which is equal to third ratio. So we can write that opposite upon adjacent is also equal to sin theta upon cos theta. As we all know, these three ratios are reciprocal of these first three ratios. So we can say that hypotenuse upon opposite is also equal to 1 upon sin theta, and hypotenuse upon adjacent is equal to 1 upon cos theta, and this sixth ratio, which is adjacent upon opposite, is also equal to 1 upon tan theta, which is also equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So total there are 6 trigonometric ratios. Now let us see the full form of these 6 trigonometric ratios. The first one, sin theta, which implies that SINE, sine of angle theta. The second one, cos theta, which implies that cosine of angle theta. Third one, tan theta, which implies tangent of angle theta. Fourth one, cosec theta, which implies cosecant of angle theta. The fifth one, sec theta, which implies secant of angle theta. The sixth one, cot theta, which implies cotangent of angle theta. So as we have seen 6 trigonometric ratios in trigonometry. That's it for the today. Thank you everyone.